Luxury Modern Minimalist House 2025, Timeless Elegance in Architecture and Design. Welcome to this exclusive Luxury Modern Minimalist House Tour 2025. Step into a home where timeless elegance blends seamlessly with today's most innovative design trends, creating a space that is both inspiring and deeply livable. This is more than just a house. It is a statement of lifestyle and the future of modern luxury living. In 2025, minimalism evolves beyond simplicity. It becomes a refined expression of comfort, sophistication, and intentional design. Open layouts and clean lines highlight balance and clarity, while natural light and sustainable materials bring warmth and harmony. Every corner is crafted with purpose, every element designed to elevate daily living. This vision is not limited to the architecture itself, but extends into the garden, the flow of spaces, and the experience of life within. Modern minimalism now redefines luxury, transforming a house into a sanctuary of inspiration, connection, and lasting elegance. The architectural vision of this residence is a masterclass in modern minimalism, where the essence is not about taking away, but about achieving perfect balance. Every line, every surface, and every angle is carefully designed to serve a purpose, creating an experience that is both functional and inspiring. Flat roof lines emphasize calm horizontality, while expansive glass walls open the interior to abundant natural light. The combination of natural stone and warm wood tones anchors the home, giving it a sense of timeless elegance. This is a facade that feels fresh and modern today, yet carries a beauty that will remain enduring far into the future. Looking toward 2025, the defining trend is architecture that flows seamlessly with nature. This home fully embraces that philosophy, with spaces that breathe easily, glow with natural warmth, and invite the outdoors to become part of everyday living. It is more than architecture. It is a lifestyle of harmony, sophistication, and lasting inspiration. Exterior elegance defines the first impression of this home, where architecture and landscape flow seamlessly together. As you approach the entrance, a meticulously designed garden frames the house with geometric pathways and sculpted greenery, guiding your view with precision and grace. Hidden lighting adds a touch of quiet drama at dusk, while broad overhangs create both shade and architectural depth, enhancing the balance between form and function. This is minimalism reimagined, not stark, not empty, but warm and luxurious. Every choice of material, from natural stone to refined finishes, adds richness without excess. The symmetry of the design, the proportion of spaces, and the thoughtful alignment of elements combine to create an exterior that feels timeless, elegant, and deeply welcoming. Here, beauty is not about ornamentation, but about intention. The design radiates sophistication, offering a sense of calm strength that will endure well into the future, setting the perfect stage for the living experience within. Grand living room is where the essence of modern elegance truly comes to life. As you step inside, you're welcomed by an expansive open-plan space designed to maximize both light and openness. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural daylight, dissolving boundaries and creating a seamless flow to the outdoors. Every piece of furniture is chosen with purpose. Low-profile sofas invite relaxation, elegant armchairs provide balance, and a minimalist coffee table anchors the space. The palette is built on neutral tones, yet enriched with subtle layers of texture, soft fabrics, natural stone, and warm wood, adding depth, comfort, and timeless sophistication. In 2025, interior design celebrates the idea of quiet luxury, an understated elegance that values intention over excess. Here, nothing feels random and nothing feels overwhelming. This living room perfectly embodies that philosophy, offering a sanctuary where style, comfort, and purpose coexist in complete harmony. kitchen and dining experience is where design meets functionality in its most refined form. Flowing directly from the living room, this open space is crafted to be both practical and visually stunning. At its heart stands a striking kitchen island, finished in polished marble with elegant waterfall edges. More than just a workspace, it serves as a social hub where conversations and daily life naturally unfold. Hidden cabinetry ensures a clean, uncluttered look, while integrated smart appliances merge seamlessly into the overall design, enhancing both convenience and sophistication. The dining area extends effortlessly from the kitchen, anchored by a minimalist table paired with sculptural chairs. Overhead, soft pendant lighting casts a warm glow, setting the stage for moments of connection. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a lively evening with friends, this space achieves a perfect balance of elegance and everyday practicality, embodying the essence of modern living in 2025. The bedroom retreat is envisioned as a true sanctuary, carefully designed to calm the senses and restore balance. The palette is soft and neutral. Gentle shades of beige, muted grays, and warm natural wood come together to create an atmosphere of serenity and comfort. Every detail is intentional. Built-in storage solutions keep the space uncluttered, reflecting the essence of minimalist design. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors invite natural light and open directly onto a private terrace, seamlessly extending the bedroom into nature. It's a place where mornings begin with soft sunlight and evenings end under a canopy of stars, offering a retreat that feels both intimate and expansive. In 2025, bedrooms are evolving beyond their traditional role. No longer just places to sleep, they are becoming personal sanctuaries, spaces for rest, reflection, and renewal. This master suite captures that philosophy perfectly, embodying modern trends while remaining timeless in its elegance. Spa-inspired bathroom invites you into a sanctuary of relaxation, where every detail is designed to evoke the feeling of a private spa. Natural stone finishes set a timeless foundation, while warm wood accents and soft ambient lighting create an atmosphere of calm and serenity. The floating vanity, with integrated storage, ensures a sleek and uncluttered look, reflecting the essence of minimalist luxury. The walk-in shower, framed in seamless glass, features modern rain shower technology and subtle lighting, turning daily routines into soothing rituals. At the heart of the space, a freestanding bathtub becomes the true centerpiece, an inviting place to pause, unwind, and restore balance after a long day. In 2025, design and wellness are deeply intertwined. Bathrooms are no longer seen as purely functional, but as restorative retreats within the home. This space beautifully embodies that vision, offering comfort, tranquility, and a lifestyle dedicated to self-care and harmony. Outdoor living and landscape brings the philosophy of luxury minimalism into the open air, creating a seamless extension of the home itself. Designed for both relaxation and entertaining, the outdoor spaces are crafted with intention and elegance. A landscape garden surrounds the property, defined by geometric patterns and low-maintenance greenery that offer both beauty and practicality. At the center, a sleek infinity pool mirrors the architecture, blurring the boundary between structure and nature. Minimalist lounge areas invite gatherings, while subtle water features provide a calming soundtrack, enriching the atmosphere with tranquility. In 2025, outdoor living is more than a design choice. It is a lifestyle rooted in wellness, sustainability, and connection. connection to the natural world. This residence embraces all three with effortless sophistication, turning the exterior into a living sanctuary. Here, architecture and landscape unite, creating spaces that inspire, restore, and elevate the experience of modern living. Design trends of 2025 come to life in this home, making it a remarkable example of modern luxury living. At the heart of its vision is quiet luxury, a design philosophy that embraces subtle elegance without excess, where simplicity feels refined and elevated. Sustainable materials play a central role, with stone, wood, and glass chosen not only for their beauty, but also for their responsibility to the environment. Every element blends aesthetics with sustainability, ensuring timeless appeal with mindful living. Seamless technology is woven discreetly into the design, with hidden smart systems enhancing comfort and convenience without ever interrupting the visual harmony. Equally important is the emphasis on indoor-outdoor harmony. Spaces are crafted to breathe with nature, opening up to light, air, and landscape, creating an effortless flow between inside and out. This home doesn't just reflect the trends of 2025, it defines them, setting the standard for what modern luxury should truly look and feel like. This luxury modern minimalist house tour 2025 presents a vision of timeless elegance and contemporary inspiration. From its refined architectural lines to serene interiors and wellness-centered outdoor living, every element has been designed with purpose, creating a home that radiates sophistication. Here, luxury is redefined. It is not measured by size or extravagance, but by intention, thoughtful design choices, purposeful spaces, and an effortless connection with nature. Every corner of this residence reflects balance, calm, and the evolving lifestyle of modern living. This tour highlights how architecture, interior design, and landscape can unite to form more than just a house. They create a sanctuary that inspires both comfort and aspiration. Thank you for joining this journey through modern minimalism at its finest. For more inspiration and exclusive looks at luxury homes around the world, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and continue exploring the future of design and living.